Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel ExpressVPN subscription. This works worldwide. So let's just get straight into the video. To cancel your ExpressVPN subscription, you must use the method appropriate to how you originally purchased it via the ExpressVPN website or an app store. So subscriptions purchased with Bitcoin or payment wallet do not renew automatically, so no action is needed for those. All you need to do if you've purchased the ExpressVPN via website is you must log in into your account through a web browser. So simply go to ExpressVPN website and sign in into your account. Select the subscription or my subscription tab from the left hand menu on the dashboard. Then simply under the subscription details, select edit subscription settings or cancel subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation of auto renewal. You may need to click through a few confirmation screens until you see a final confirmation message. Canceling in this manner allows you to use ExpressVPN until the